Hello, out there, TV land. Tonight, we're working on partitioning fractions on number line to prepare what we're going to be practicing on tomorrow. And what we have already learned is using a sentence strip and finding our fractions, or unit fractions, on that, finding them and labeling the unit fractions on a sentence strip. So now we're taking it one step further, and we're going to transfer the unit fractions onto a number line, a blank number line, and I'm going to label, let's do 0 on top, and all the way across is one whole, and it's very easy to find the middle, and that's a good benchmark for all fractions, finding the 1/2. So that would be 0 halves, 1/2, and 2 halves. The next fraction is the denominator, fourths, divided into 4 equal parts. So 0 and 1 whole, divided again into halves, and with fourths, just divide the halves, 2 parts, 2 more times. 2 times 2 is 4 equal parts, and I'm going to label those 0 fourths, 1 fourth, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths. Continuing, my next easy denominator associated with halves, fourths, is eighths. Very closely related to each other. 0 and my 1 whole, divided in half again, and then each half in half 2 more times equals fourths, and 8 is a multiple of 4, multiplying the 4 2 more times, and now let me label my, in the habit, that's a good habit to go ahead and label your halves, and recording the fractions: 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. 1 whole. And the next fractions that are related, that are similar, are thirds and sixths. So as we have been doing, our beginning of our number line, 1 whole, find the middle, which is 1/2, and then the thirds are a little more tricky to find. Approximately 3 equal parts, and I'm going to label those fractions 0 thirds, that's no fractions, 1 third, 2 thirds, and 3 thirds. And our final, before y'all start practicing on GoFormative, last one that I'm going to model is sixths. So again, 0 is the beginning of the number line, and then 1 whole. In the middle is a half, and I'm going to use my thirds, about there and there, and then 3 times 2 equals 6. We'll divide each of those thirds in half, which equals sixths. So 0 sixths, 1 sixth, 2 sixths, 3 sixths, 4 sixths, 5 sixths, 6 sixths. And there you have it, and you will continue practicing on GoFormative.